Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Bluehost domain to Shopify. This process helps establish a professional online presence for your store, enhancing brand identity and customer trust. We will cover 4 key steps. First, preparing your domain in Bluehost. Second, configuring DNS records. Third, connecting the domain within Shopify. And finally, verifying the successful connection. It's a straightforward process that ensures your customers can easily find your online store using your custom domain name. The first crucial step is to configure your domain's DNS records in Bluehost. After logging in, find your domain and navigate to its DNS settings. You'll need to edit the record, pointing it to Shopify's IP address, which is 23.227.38.65. Next, update the CNAME record for www to shops.myshopify.com. Remember to remove any other or AA records to ensure a smooth connection. Save these changes carefully. Once your Bluehost DNS records are updated, it's time to connect your domain within Shopify. Log into your Shopify admin panel and go to Settings, then click on Domains. Here, you'll find an option to connect existing domain. Enter your full domain name, for example, yourstore.com, and proceed with the on-screen instructions. Shopify will then initiate the connection process, linking your custom domain to your online store. This step is quick and easy to complete. After making these changes, patience is key. DNS propagation can take up to 48 hours, so your domain might not connect instantly. Periodically check your Shopify admin's domain section for a connected status. Once connected, open a web browser and test your domain, both with and without www, to ensure it directs to your Shopify store. Finally, set your custom domain as the primary domain in Shopify to ensure all traffic goes to your professional new address.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.